Looking for the best self-cleaning litter box to make life easier for you and your cat? We tested and compared the top models to help you find the right fit, so let's dive in from the weakest to the very best. Let's start with the most basic option on the list, the Omega Paw Roll N Clean. This is a fully manual litter box and it lands at the bottom of our ranking, but before you scroll past, it might still have a place in the right kind of home. What makes it stand out is its simplicity. You just roll it to one side and the internal sifting grate does the dirty work for you. Clumps go into the pull-out tray. It's lightweight, doesn't need power, and is super budget friendly. If you're just looking to avoid scooping without fancy electronics, it does the job. That said, build quality can be a concern. Users often complain about flimsy clips, breakable parts, and occasional litter spills during rolling. Compared to more advanced models, this one just doesn't offer the durability or features you might want for long-term use. If you're on a tight budget or want a no-frills backup box, this could work, but if you're looking for a more hands-off experience, the next option might be more up your alley. And hey, if you're ready to shop, we've dropped the best prices for every product in the description below. Coming in next is the TAYACICY automatic litter box, which is a big step up in terms of features. This model automates everything from scooping to waste disposal, and it even connects to your phone for remote control. This box has a massive 95-liter drum, making it perfect for multi-cat households. It runs quietly, has built-in infrared safety sensors, and the app lets you schedule cleanings or get alerts when it's full. The removable tray is leak-proof and simple to clean, which is a big plus. The downside? It's a bit on the heavy side and there's not much brand recognition or long-term support info. Some users have had mixed experiences with reliability. Compared to better known brands, it feels a bit generic, almost like it was white labeled for quick sale. If you're okay with taking a chance on a newer brand in exchange for a lot of features at a reasonable price, this one could be worth a shot. And if you're liking this review so far, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest product comparisons. The Fumoi M4 takes things a step further with refined construction and smart features. It shares many similarities with the TAYACICY, but with a slightly sleeker design and better attention to odor control. This model's standout features include a washable liner, quiet operation, and a rotating drum that keeps litter fresh without much human involvement. The app control is intuitive and lets you manage everything from cleaning cycles to maintenance alerts. However, the Fumoi still lacks major brand backing, and support details are vague. It's also on the heavier side, which could be a hassle if you need to move it around often. Like the TAYACICY, it's a strong performer but comes with a few question marks. If you want advanced features and a better design but don't mind sacrificing brand recognition, this model offers excellent value, especially for homes with multiple cats. Stepping into more trusted territory, we have the PetSafe Scoop-Free Crystal Pro. This one's built by a well-known pet brand, and while it's not the flashiest unit, it does what it's supposed to do with minimal fuss. Its biggest win is odor control. Those crystal litter trays trap smells like magic. You also get a usage tracker to monitor your cat's health, and the rake system keeps things tidy for weeks at a time. It's light and easy to maintain. No app, no problem. The catch? You have to use their proprietary litter trays, which adds ongoing cost. And if your cat is on the bigger side, this might not be the right fit. It's a little smaller and less flexible than some of the rotating drum models. Still, if you want something reliable, mess-free, and backed by a known brand, this is a solid mid-tier choice. Especially good for single cat homes where simplicity and odor control are top priorities. And now we've made it to the top of the list, the Whisker Litter Robot 4. This is hands down the most advanced and polished self-cleaning litter box on the market today. From the moment you set it up, it feels like a smart home upgrade. It's ultra quiet, packed with sensors, and the app lets you track litter levels, weight, and more. With carbon filters and additional odor packs, it excels at keeping your home smelling fresh. And it's big enough to handle up to 4 cats comfortably. Of course, all that tech comes with a price tag. It's the most expensive unit on this list, and it takes up a bit more space. Some users have reported the occasional app glitch or sensor hiccup, but overall, it's the most consistent performer out there. If you want the best and are ready to invest, this is the litter box to beat. It takes automation to the next level, making it a game changer for busy multi-cat households. All the top picks from this review are linked in the description below. Go check them out and grab the best price. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world reviews like this one.